My downloads folder used to look like this, just random files everywhere, PDFs, images, code, zip files, total chaos. And honestly, I was wasting way too much time trying to organize it manually. So I did what any developer would do. I wrote a Python script to fix it automatically. Let me show you how. I run this script and within seconds, boom, everything is organized. Images go into images folder, PDF into PDF files, code into code files, even zip files and logs are sorted automatically. No dragging, no manual work. This script basically turns your messy folder into a clean, structured system instantly. And the best part, it's customizable so you can organize files exactly the way you want. The script scans every file inside your folder. In my case, it's the downloads folder. It checks each file's type like PDF, Excel, image, video. But here's what it gets interesting. It doesn't just look at file extensions, it also checks the file name. For example, if a file name contains log, it goes into the log files. If it's a JSON file with Postman, it goes into the Postman collection folder. If it's a zip file, words like project, it goes into a third party apps. So it's actually making smart decisions. Now let's look at the important part of the code. The function right here, this is the brain of the script. It decides where each file should go. It takes the file name and extension that runs through a set of rules. For example, if the file contains log, it immediately categorizes it as a log file. And here, it checks extensions like PDF, CSV, MP4, and assigns categories accordingly. And finally, this line. This is where the magic happens. It actually moves the file into a correct folder automatically. So once the category is decided, boom, the file is relocated. This was my folder previously. Lots of files, lots of messy files, and this is after running the script. I have shared the GitHub link in the description below. You can copy, use, and customize it however you like. If you found this useful, give it a like and subscribe for more simple automation ideas like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.